Hi guys, I hope that you're all doing well. Today's lesson is about like terms in algebra. What are like terms? Like terms are terms that have the same variable raised to the same power. In short, they have the same variable and the same exponent. But before I teach you like terms, remember I told you that you should be able to count how many terms you have. If you have 3x plus 5x, how many terms do you have? You have 1, 2. So you have 2 terms here. I told you guys this in the previous lessons. So let's try a few examples. If you have 3x plus 5x, are these like terms? We have the same variable, which is x, and they are raised to the same exponent, which is 1. So to calculate 3x plus 5x, we'll say 3 plus 5, which is 8. We then include the variable, which is x. Okay? And if you have, let's say, 2y to the power 2 plus 7y to the power 2, let's check first, are these like terms? We have y and y, we have 2 and 2 as our exponent. So to calculate this, let me write this down here, plus 7y to the power 2. We'll say 2 plus 7, which is equal to 9. Then we write our variable, which is y to the power 2. Your variable and your exponent, you only write it once. So what if we had, let's say, x plus x to the power 2? Are these like terms? Let's check. We have x and x. Our exponent we have to the power 1 and 2. These are not like terms, so we can't really say x to the power 1 plus x to the power 2. But if we had x to the power 2 plus x to the power 2, how would we calculate this? You guys know that there's an invisible 1 here and an invisible 1 there. So we'll say 1 plus 1, which is 2. We then write our variable and our exponent, which is x to the power 2. Don't forget to include the exponent. Okay? If you have 3a plus 3b, how do we calculate this? We first check whether we have like terms. We have 3 and 3, we have a and b. So these are not like terms. If we have 2xy plus 2x, or let's say 2xy minus 2x, are these like terms? Let's check our variable. We have xy and x. These are not like terms. Now let's try a few examples. Let's do 4x plus 2x. Let's check, do we have like terms? Do you have the same variable? We have x and x. Do you have the same exponent? We have to the power 1 and to the power 1. So we do have like terms. How do we calculate this? We will say 4 plus 2, which is 6. We then write our variable. Let's try 3x minus x. How do we solve this? We'll say, let's check if we have the same variable. We have x and x. Do you have the same exponent? We have to the power 1 and to the power 1. So we'll say 3 minus 1. You guys know that there's an invisible 1. So your answer is 2x. Let's move to number 3. We have 4b minus x. Are these like terms? You have b and x. These are not like terms, so we can't really do anything there. Let's go to number 4. 9a minus 2a. Are these like terms? You have a and a. You have to the power 1 and to the power 1. So this is, we'll say 9 minus 2, which is 7. Then we write our a. Number 5, we have 9p plus 4p minus p plus x plus 8 minus 2p minus 2. Let's check our like terms. We have 9p here. 9p plus 4p. Are these like terms? We have the same variable and the same exponent, so these are like terms. Minus p, same variable and to the power 1, right? So we have the same exponent. Plus x, that is not a like term, plus 8 minus 2p This is a like term because it's raised to the power 1. Same exponent, minus 2. So let's start with p. We'll say 9 plus 4 minus 1 minus 2, which is 10p. So we're done with 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's move to x. We have x. Do we have another x? No. So it's just plus x, as x doesn't have a like term. We then have 8 minus 2. These are like terms, right? So we'll say 8 minus 2, which is 6. So this will be plus 6. And that is how you add and subtract like terms. Let's try 8x to the power 2 plus 6x to the power 2. Are these like terms? We have x and x, same variable. We have to the power 2 and to the power 2, same exponent. So these are like terms. We will say 8 plus 6, which is 14. We then write our variable, which is x to the power 2. Okay, let's try number 7. We have 2p to the power 3 plus 2p to the power 3. Are these like terms? We have p and p to the power 3 to the power 3. Same variable, same exponent. So we'll say 2 plus 2, which is 4. We then write our variable, which is p to the power 3. Let's try 6x to the power 5 minus 8x to the power 2. Are these like terms? We have x and x. Let's check our exponents. We have 5 and 2. So these are not like terms. We cannot subtract. Let's try 3 a.m. plus a.m. plus 9 a.m. Do you have the same variable? We have a.m., a.m., a.m. We do have the same variable. And they're all raised to the power 1. So we have the same exponent. Therefore, we have 3 like terms. So we can say 2 plus 1, as the coefficient there is 1, plus 9. 2 plus 1 plus 9 is 12. So we have to write our variable, which is a.m. Let's try 9x to the power 3 plus 2x plus 8 plus 3x to the power 3 plus x minus 1 plus 8 plus 1. Let's check for our like terms. In the first term, we have 9x to the power 3, x to the power 3. Do we have another x to the power 3? We have 2x, it's not a like term, plus 8, not a like term, plus 3x to the power 3. That is a like term, because it's similar to 9x to the power 3. Let's check for other like terms. Plus x, not a like term, minus 1, not a like term, plus 8, not a like term, plus 1. That's not a like term. So we have 9 plus 3. So you write 12 here, you write our variable x, you write our exponent 3. So we can cancel those terms. Let's move to 2x. Do you have another x? X plus 8, not a like term, plus x. Yes, because it's x. And you know that these are both raised to the power 1. Minus 1 plus 8 plus 1. So we'll say 2 plus x, which is 3x. Let me show you guys this here. 3x plus 2x plus x. We'll say 2x, right? Plus, you know that there's a 1 there. So we'll say 2 plus 1, which is 3. You then write your variable, which is x. So you can cancel this and that out. Now let's move to 8. We have 8 minus 1 is also a like term. So this is 8 minus 1 plus 8 plus 1. So you'll say 8 minus 1 plus 8 plus 1, which is 16. So we're done with this, that, and that. And that is your final answer. That is how you add and subtract like terms in mathematics. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. Read the video's description for more information about algebra.